Do you take Milagrosa here present for your local wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
And now, Anjo and Milagrosa, please say together this prayer.
Kunin mo nga.
That God pour out His abundant blessings on your love and help you carry out the duties of the married state. And you, my dear brothers and sisters, parents and godparents, may I now ask your prayers and accept Anjo and Milagrosa and accept them as a new couple in our Christian community. And now, Anjo and Milagrosa, may I now ask you to answer the following question truthfully. Now, Milagrosa, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the loving service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
And you, Anjo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Anjo and Milagrosa, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
And now, Anjo and Milagrosa, since you wish to contract holy matrimony, please join your hands and express your intention before God in His church.